Welcome back to Beautyistic. You've probably heard the phrase hair goals tossed around a lot, but let's get real. Keeping your hair in top shape can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. Whether you've got dry, damaged strands, or color-treated locks in need of a little TLC, finding the right treatment can be a game changer. So today I'm talking about the Awapuhi Wild Ginger Intensive Treatment by Paul Mitchell. An intense repair treatment that promises to rebuild, restore, and rejuvenate even the most stressed out hair. Now let's break down what makes this product stand out. Packed with KeraTriplex keratin protein technology, this treatment works its magic by rebuilding and repairing damaged hair. If you've been struggling with dry, brittle, or color-treated hair, this is where it can really shine. On top of that, the addition of Awapuhi extract brings some much-needed moisture and shine back to your strands. No more dull, lifeless hair. I've had the chance to use this treatment on my own hair, and I'll be honest, I had pretty high expectations given the claims of moisture and repair. After all, my hair's been through a lot, coloring, styling, and some intense heat, so if something could make a difference, I wanted to see it for myself. The texture of the cream is luxurious. It's thick enough to feel substantial, but still light enough to spread easily. I applied it generously to my damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends where damage tends to be the most noticeable. As it sat, I could feel it working. There was no heavy, greasy residue, just a smooth, almost creamy finish that left my hair feeling immediately more nourished. After rinsing it out, the difference was noticeable right away. My hair felt softer, more hydrated, and definitely less frizzy. There was a bit of added shine, which was a huge plus, especially for color-treated hair that often tends to look a little lackluster. The real test, though, came the next day when I styled my hair. Normally, my ends are the first to show signs of damage, but they felt noticeably smoother and less prone to flyaways. But, as with any product, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the treatment does a great job of restoring moisture and shine, it didn't completely fix some of the deeper damage in my hair. For really severe damage, you might need to use it consistently over time for the full benefits. Also, the product's fragrance, while pleasant, may not be to everyone's taste. It's a little floral, but not overpowering. Now let's talk about value for money. At first glance, this treatment might seem a little on the pricier side, but given the high-quality ingredients like KeraTriplex keratin and the fact that a little goes a long way, it's worth considering. The hydration and smoothness I've gotten from just a few uses have been impressive. But if you're on a budget and looking for something more affordable, there are definitely other options in the market that offer a similar moisturizing effect without the hefty price tag. The build quality of the packaging is sturdy, and I appreciate that it's easy to dispense. It's simple but functional, which aligns well with Paul Mitchell's professional approach. The treatment's longevity? It's not something you'd need to apply daily, but using it once a week for maintenance or as a deep repair once a month should keep your hair feeling fresh and healthy. If you're someone who's had issues with dry or color-treated hair, this treatment is a great pick. It's gentle, it works, and it gives results that you can see and feel. It's safe for colored hair, so if you're worried about fading your dye job, you can rest easy. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product or are considering trying it, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.